how to post Instagram story from laptop. Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to go ahead and show you step by step in order to do so. So yes, you can post Instagram stories from laptop even though Instagram hides it a bit, but here are some of the best working methods for that. So we can head over and use Instagram Wave. You can directly go to Instagram, and it's better if you use Chrome. And once you've done so, what we can do is we can log in, and once we are logged in, we can press F12, and once we have press F12, or you can right click on it and click on inspect. After that, this side device toolbar appears. So at the top of the screen, you should be finding a mobile tablet icon. Toggle this device toolbar here. After that, you can refresh your page here and it will show you a mobile interface here. So you can just go over and refresh it, and there we go. So here you can see we have this option, so you can click on it. And once we've done that, at the very top left, you can just go over and look out for this option called Your Story. So click on this plus option, and it will give you option to add up pictures from your device. So for example, I would like to use this picture right here. So once you've done that, click on open and add it. And you can click on this option called add to story, confirm it up, and the story will be added. You can even edit it out before adding it. It is something works best for photos. Video may be limited length, but you can try out this method, and you can view your Instagram story this way. You can just go over and view it. But if you want video stories also, you can just go over and open up Microsoft Store instead. So let's close this up and go to Microsoft Store, and within Microsoft Store search for Instagram, and if it is available I can install and log in. Instagram and find it up, find the application and download it, get it, and you can just go over and follow the same process. Click on plus icon to upload your story and upload and post it, and that's it. And next up, you can follow out these two methods, even though Instagram hides it usually, but you can try out this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.